Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. After experiencing the scorching heat, rainy season always feels like a blessing. But the flip side is that this weather can really be tough on your skin. For starters, it takes a while for our skin to get adjusted to the changing weathers, and the increased humidity in the weather can really affect our skin, make it really dull. It can trigger skin issues. The only way to tackle this issue is to switch gears and tweak a little bit of things in your skincare routine, like going a little lighter when it comes to skincare, choosing more mattifying products, and thorough cleansing. But obviously everything with decorum and in control. So I've dotted down a list of things, a few tips that you can follow during monsoon season just to get that glowing, beautiful skin. First tip is sunscreen is a non-negotiable. No matter what weather it is, using a sunscreen is absolutely a no-brainer for men and women. I'm sure you all use it for the summer season, but one must use it for rainy weather as well, because it's equally important to protect your skin during the rainy season. Even on cloudy days, the sun's UV rays can really impact on your skin, so just make sure to use a lightweight sunscreen. Like I personally love using this Featherlight sunscreen by the Derma Co. This is the 1% hyaluronic aqua gel sunscreen with SPF 50 and PA++++, which protects and hydrates the skin. This is a hassle-free single step which gives intense hydration for a long time and also gives sun protection at the same time. So this delivers a hydrated and a non-greasy finish. Now I do not have to worry about being a sticky note this monsoon season, because trust me, this is my monsoon buddy. I will have all the links of this product mentioned in the description box below. It's available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Purple.com. Just grab yours now. I will have all the links mentioned down below, so don't forget to check them out. The Derma Co has empowered more than 20,000 students this year using their Young Scientists initiative. So every time you make a purchase through them, they link your order to a child that they want to educate along with Bhumi Foundation. The second tip is to keep it all clean. I mean, we all know that it's very important to cleanse our face 2 to 3 times in a day, but most importantly during monsoon season, because the rainy season can really accumulate excess dirt on your skin. The best skincare routine for dry skin during the monsoon season must include a soap-free cleanser, so it does not strip your skin of the natural essential oils. Is to exfoliate generously, because exfoliation is very important. It gets rid of all the unnecessary dirt which gets accumulated on the face, the acne-prone germs, and just keeps it clean, healthy and glowing. So use a gentle scrub that suits your skin type. The fourth tip is to moisturize. Don't let the rainy season convince you enough that it's not important to moisturize your skin. You have to moisturize your skin no matter what the weather is, no matter how much it is pouring outside. So just switch to a lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer depending on your skin type. And the last tip, the fifth one, is that less is more when it comes to makeup. So just go for lightweight makeup products rather than going foolproof with makeup, because that's not going to be long lasting as per your wish. So just choose lightweight products, because heavy makeup products can really cause infections. It can clog the pores, create bacteria and result in infection. So it's always better to use lightweight products. So just replace full coverage foundation, concealers, etc. with lightweight CC creams, and your lipsticks with tinted lip balms, so that it's all natural and glowing and lightweight. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you very, very soon. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new. I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.